This is a story about outlaw Gwazai. He was the Robin Hood of Kwazianskwa. He took from the rich and gave to the poor. He was accused of stealing, but he didn't do it. Let's see his story.
Wir gehen nach Amerika. Oh, Mutter, ich liebe dich. Ich liebe dich. Au, There he is! Let's get him! Oh, you're finally
They put him to prison. He wanted to escape, but unfortunately he got shot. And this is the sad story about outlaw Gwazai.